Adrak restaurant and I have to walk outside in the snow. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog, and today we are setting up our very own Christmas tree for the Christmas season. We have to set it almost like here, and I'm gonna remove the Coco's tree. So I'm gonna set my Christmas tree over there. So here's our Christmas tree. I put up the same tree last year as well. So I have it all packed. Coco is looking where is her cat tree. So I have some old decorations which we're gonna use, and I have some new one as well. It's so heavy. We're gonna start with this third piece. Third piece, they only have 2 pieces. My bad. I'm gonna switch on the lights. Let me figure out where are the lights. Christmas tree is up. Let's start with the decorations now. The tree is on and Coco is already inside. Hi Coco! Wait, I'm gonna show. Hi! Oh, I can see you. What are you doing inside? I have to decorate it first. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go. She loves Christmas tree. Also, I have this package from Snuggersburg. They were very kind enough to send me the tree skirt for my Christmas tree. So this is the skirt that I got, and they customized it. And guess what? I have my name on it, and it says the Manaktalas. How cute is this? My god, I love it. And the quality is also like really nice, and I love the quality of it. And it's like this type of a skirt, so it goes around the base of the tree. So let's put this up. It's so easy to do. Here it goes. It looks so good. Let's start with the decorations, like ornaments. I also have this artificial snow spray. I got this from Dollarama, and I also got this star to put on top because last year I didn't have any star. And yeah, so this year we're gonna put a star as well. And I'm gonna start with the artificial snow spray. Not gonna lie, it looks so much better. You can like clearly see the difference. This is with the snow part, and this is without the snow. My god. With the snow, perfect. With the spray on, it looks so much better, but the thing is that spray got over and I don't have any extra. So I'm gonna put the ornaments first, and then maybe tomorrow I'll go to Dollarama again and bring another snow spray. So I have some of the ornaments. Look how cute this is with the bottle. I'm gonna show you my favorite ones from them. This is my favorite. Like, look how cute this is. This is the teddy bear one. This is so cute. Snowman one. Shall I put Coco on the tree? Star. So later in the day we went to this really cool lighting show. So it's like we have to drive between the setup of lights, and they had like various different kind of lights, and it was so nice. Then we met Santa in the end.
Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho! Happy New Year!
So we are here at the Adrak restaurant and we're gonna have dinner here. So we are sent outside because, not outside like thrown out. So they are not taking any walk-ins because they are all full. Although it's a nice restaurant. We'll come here someday. I'm gonna go somewhere else and see if we can have some food for tonight. Also, it's like lightly snowing. Although I love snow until I have to walk on it. I love snow when it falls, when I see it falling from my windows, but not when I have to walk outside in the snow. Let's go somewhere else. It was a good night at Scarabush. We had really nice dinner. Snow ऐसे लगे जैसे glitter आ रहा हो. Snow literally looks like glitter falling from the sky. Yeah, I was saying we had a pizza and I had espresso martini. He had classic margarita. It was nice. And we also had pesto pasta. Hi guys, so welcome back. It's a couple of days later and I actually went to Dollarama to get the snow spray that I was supposed to do on like sides of it, but I didn't end up getting it because my cat is always on the tree most of the time and that it leaves like white particles and she always licks her body, and so the white particles from the snow spray gets on her skin, like gets on her hair, and most of the time she's licking her hair, most of the time she's cleaning herself. So I think like it might be dangerous to her while she's consuming it, so I didn't end up getting more because I don't want her to consume anything, and most of the time she gets to the back of the tree, not to the front, so she's kind of safe as of now. I take care of her, but I will not spray it anymore because it leaves dirty particles. I don't know, it like sheds. It is not like a spray paint which sticks on it, it just like stays on top. It's weird, so I didn't end up getting it. Instead of that, I got this sparkly wraparound thingy, and I think I would need to get more because it didn't cover the underneath part of the tree. It only covered this much. So yeah, as of now it looks good. So other than that, I have some parcels which I need to unbox. I'm gonna sit in front of the tree and I should feel like I'm opening Christmas presents. I don't know. So this one is from the Perfect Vlogs and they have sent me a wraparound pony, like pony wig kind of a thing. Oh, the packaging is also nice. Oh, that's nice. So they have given a hair guide and it comes like this. And I think I got the wavy one. Oh yes. See? The hair quality looks super nice. It has like a velcro kind of a thing, so you should put it around your pony and it gives you a lot of length. As of now it just matches my hair. I just have to like curl it in order to match these curls. This parcel is from Firebelly Tea, I guess. It's some sort of like tea And here's the tea. So they sent me this tea strainer infuser. These are the 2 teas. So this is black tea with vanilla and almond. And this is after dinner mint. I'm gonna have this one right now because I just had my dinner. And let me open the strainer quickly. Okay. It looks pretty cute. So this is the strainer. It comes with this black cup kind of a thingy. So you keep the strainer inside, you just pour the tea and like use tea and water, and it just brews, and then you just take out the tea like this and you have the tea inside, and then you can pour in your cup. This is nice. It actually saves environment because this is like reusable. It doesn't use any paper and stuff, filter stuff. So this is nice. I should actually make it. So just gonna brew myself the tea in this. I have my hot water with me, and I'm gonna brew the after dinner mint. It actually smells like, I don't remember the name, like mint, what is it called, like polo in India. It smells like that. So I'm gonna pour some of it inside, like a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna pour the hot water in it. Wait. So this is actually brewing really nicely. It's almost like 20 seconds and it has already started showing the color and it's already started brewing. Yeah, it's brewed really well. What I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna use just the strainer and put the tea directly into my teacups, so it can actually like brew directly, because this thing is actually hot. I can't even pick it up. I need like tissue paper to pick it up. It's like hot. The tea is looking nice. It brewed really well. The tea is nice. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna go to bed and have a good night. Till then, you can subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll meet you in my next vlog really soon. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting my vlogs. And yeah, take care. Good night. Bye.